So, good evening everyone. My name is Angelica Jane De Asis. The topic that I already choose is about the Lean Sigma methodology. So, first, I will define Lean Six Sigma methodology means a structured approach to improving business process by eliminating waste, lean, and reducing variation and defects. Sigma to the delivery high quality, faster, and more cost-effective outcomes. So, dito po kasi, kung mapapansin natin, when it comes business, dito natin makikita kung paano ba yung nagiging process, paano ba nag-i-improve yung business natin when it comes possibility delivery higher sa pag-create natin ng product, especially po kung ano po yung nagiging effective outcomes niya po when it comes customers. So, the key principles. So, first is the focus on customer. Understand what the customers truly values. Yes, kasi po, di ba, if we can see if the person or if the customers interesting to our product. So, di ba, the customers truly values what product and services that we will do, and he or she already satisfied. So, second, delivery products or services that meet or exceed customer expectation. Since in customer expectations, sometimes the customers has truly high expectation to our product and services that already released. So, second is the involve and empower people. 'Di ba? Kung mapapansin naman natin, so involvement ng tao natin lalo na sa pagke-create kasi ng product is napaka-importante kasi usually hindi naman tayo makakapag-provide ng more product and services kapag wala tayong nakikitang person na kumikilos para mag-create ng product. So, second is the engagement people at all levels. Since yung engagement kasi, when it comes product and services na pagke-create natin is napaka-importante. Especially kasi hindi lang tayo nag-usually sa nagbe-base sa kung ano yung engagement natin. Dapat fair tayo. So, encourage team-based problem solving and continuous improvement. So, 'di ba, kung i-encourage natin lahat ng mga natin, makikita natin kung ano ba yung mga possibility problems na pwede nating i-improve when it comes product and services na dapat nating i-release. So, second is the significance of the Lean Sigma strategic improvement aligning tools. So, align process improvements with business goals. So, helps organizations stay competitive by driving operational excellence. Since kasi dito kasi, kung hindi natin siya pagsusunod-sunodin, paano natin makikita yung possible improvements pagdating sa business goals na gusto natin? So, syempre dito, dapat alam din natin kung paano natin i-handle kung ano yung mga possible operation na gagamitin or yung magiging process or yung magiging dalol. So, customer-centric focus. So, dito kasi makikita natin kung saan ba yung nakapokus yung mga customer natin, kung ano ba yung mga needs and wants nila. So, ensure that process delivery, what customers truly value. Kasi, di ba, kapag napaprocess naman talaga yung product, kasi dito kasi mas nakikita natin kung paano natin pahalagahan yung customer natin since kung nadi-deliver ba natin ito ng maayos or hindi. So, increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. So, sa possibility rin po talaga to is may encounter natin to na syempre 'di ba kapag yung customer natin is nagiging satisfaction siya. Syempre 'di ba patuloy silang bumibili na product kung ano yung gusto nilang bilhin sa atin ng paulit-ulit. So, next will be the impact of Six Sigma. So, improve quality. So, dito naman po kasi, yung improve quality natin, since kung hindi nasasatisfy sa una yung mga customers natin, so, dito makikita natin kung ano at paano pa natin siya i-improve. So, reduce defects and errors. Kasi, kung may iwasan natin yung mga defects at saka errors, kasi, ayun din kasi yung nagiging cause kung paano din tayo nasisira sa mga customers. So, next will be the enhancement, consistency in product and services. So, di ba kasi, kung sa product and services natin, na-enhance natin siya, mas magiging continue pa rin yung nagiging magandang features natin sa mga customers. So, next po dito is yung case study. So, nakita ko po dito is a Lean Six Sigma is in healthcare. So, reduce patient wait time. Then, a large urban hospital, fictionalized for privacy. So, industry is the care. So, the project goal is the reduce patient wait time in emergency department got already 40% with 6 months. So, the possible problem is the patient, he's already waiting average of 75 minutes to see the doctor. When it comes, they going to emergency. So, that could be cause the poor patient satisfaction. So, the risk patient din, yung mga possible din na mawala sa iyo. Ganun. So, ano nga ba yung benefits? So, improving efficiency, then, the higher quality. So, kasi kung meron tayo nito, mas makikita natin kung ano yung nagiging workflows niya sa pagre-reduce natin, lalo na sa paggawa ng isang product and services. Lalo na, nakikita rin natin dito kung ano yung mga possible improve and cycle times pagdating natin sa proseso or sa pagpapabilis sa pag-create ng product. So, next dito is yung reduce defects and errors. Ayun nga, katulad na sinabi ko yun kanina, na mas makikita natin yung consistency at saka yung yung reality, lalong-lalo na sa proseso at kung ano man yung outcomes niya. Next po is yung challenges. So, mostly naman po yung employees and management may be hesitant to after long-standing process. Diba kasi minsan, hindi naman din natin masisisi kung bakit yung mga employees natin and management natin is napapagod din naman. So, kailangan din talaga nila magpahinga. So, syempre masakit din naman sa likod kapag gumagawa ka na isang produkto. So, fear job loss or increase scrutiny and create pushback. Kasi nga, di ba, hindi naman natin may iwasan na mag-job loss tayo, lalong-lalo na kung hindi na satisfied. So, next po is yung outcomes. So, yung outcomes is yung process improvement. So, simplified workflows and eliminated waste leading the more efficiently operation. Dito naman po kasi, kung nakikita natin kung paano siya nag-workflows, so, di ba, mas malilid natin at saka mas magaguide natin yung mga tao natin, lalong-lalo na sa mga bago or sa mga panibago pa lang na nagti-training pa lang. So, next will be, so, ayun lang po. Thank you po.